Say hello to the Glen Ultra Tough Mixer Grinder with its powerful 1000-watt, 100% copper motor. Backed with a 7-year warranty. It makes the toughest of jobs a child's play. The break-resistant polycarbonate lids with airtight locking allows hands-free operation. Glen Ultra Tough Mixer Grinder comes with 3 stainless steel jars, 1 transparent jar with fruit filter, ensuring versatility in your kitchen. Fitted with Ultra Tough SS 304 food-grade blades, you get better results every time. The overload protector mechanism protects the motor in case of overload. The 6 fins coupling efficiently transfers the required power to the blades, while the 3-speed settings and LED illumination provide ease of use and control. Bring home the Glen Ultra Tough Mixer Grinder and fill your kitchen with joy like never before.